Let's talk about KitchenCraft Colourworks Silicone Spatula, 28 cm orange. Perfect for multiple cooking tasks, scraping and spreading and much more with a nylon core for ultimate durability. Graduated edges and flexible, easy scrape silicone bends with the contours of your bowls, plates and pans to scrape up every last drop. Anti-scratch, perfect for use on non-stick surfaces without damage. Odour, stain and heat resistant to temperatures as high as 260 degrees Celsius 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Coated with the highest quality European grade food safe silicone LFGB complete with a 5-year guarantee. Graduated edges and flexible, easy scrape silicone bends with the contours of your bowls, plates and pans to scrape up every last drop. Odour, stain and heat resistant to temperatures as high as 260 degrees Celsius 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Coated with the highest quality LFGB-grade, food safe silicone complete with a 5-year guarantee. This is an excellent silicone spatula. The product description gives full details, except it doesn't say that this utensil is 11 long, in old money. The handle is 7.5 long, and the blade is 3.5 long, and 2.5 across. Shoulders are graduated, the handle is thick enough to give a firm, easy grip. The uploaded pics illustrate the flexibility of the blade, which is also non-stick up to 260°C heat resistant, non-scratch and easily washed. There's nothing to fall apart, separate, no crevices for debris to get lodged in. This spatula will last for years, in fact there is a 5-year guarantee on these. There are more graceful and elegant looking implements on the market, but they're all double the cost of these. I've just bought 2. Can recommend these above all their competitors. A spatula that won't scratch your pan and makes it easier to get at the last bits of sauce in the bottom. I find this a lot less useful than the mini spoon spatulas though. The whole reason for using this size 28 cm over the smaller mini spoon spatulas 20 cm is for cooking a larger quantity of food that requires a longer handle. But all the flexible material at the end of this spatula makes it less sturdy in the tip. Combined with the longer handle, which reduces responsiveness, I actually find it more difficult rather than less to stir up whatever's on the bottom of the pan when cooking something like a chunky stew or a large piece of meat.